Lion. Lion. Lion means share. Elephant. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Wolf. Wolf. Wolf means bhediya. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Bear. Bear means bhalu. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Tiger. Tiger means bag. Deer. Deer means hiran. Yak. Yak means chamri guy. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means genda. Leopard. Leopard. Leopard means tendua. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means jalhasti. Cheetah. Cheetah means cheetah. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorilla in Hindi gorilla. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo in Hindi kangaroo. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee in Hindi chimpanzee. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.